Start by removing the green catch screw on the lock body case. Rotate the hub 45 degrees. Push in the red surface of the locking slide closest to the square hub. Rotate the locking slide 180 degrees until the red is shown on the other side of the lock. Rotate the locking slide 45 degrees and reinstall the green catch screw. Take a flathead screwdriver and insert it into the diamond shape on the side of the lock. Twist the screwdriver until the latch bolt rotates and twist by hand 180 degrees until the latch falls into the opposite position. Check your latch bolt to make sure it functions normally.